guys, Sarah Manuel here back at Pack Expo to talk about our connected circuit demo. On this demonstration we have multiple connected products using IO-Link technology. So first at the top here we've got our Exelon Plus with the IEPS. So this one here, so you got your IO-Link technology. The IEPS screen on here allows you to have a visual indicator at site showing you what the pressure is of the regulator itself. So if the pressure were to drop below your set point, it would turn red, or if it goes too high above your set point, it would turn red as well. So you can see the screen right now is showing green, so it's within range of the points that we have set on here. The next up after that we have our VP proportional valve. So this proportional valve acts kind of like a regulator, an automated regulator, where you're able to reduce the pressure downline via controls that you have. Next to that we have another pressure sensor. So this is our 34D pressure sensor, another way for you to get information about pressure at different points in your application. Then we have our VR valve manifold. So this valve manifold is available with multiple different communication protocols on here. The one that we show on here is the IO-Link. Then we have another pressure sensor available, again, different ways, different sizes for you to be able to sense pressure at different points in your application. So all of that is connected to and running our P-Series pneumatic actuator. So the P-Series actuator is currently equipped with 2 of our M50 IO-Link switches. So those IO-Link switches are going to be able to give you information at the point of use for that actuator. So things like your cycle count, as well as temperature ratings. If you have a temperature where it's getting too hot or too cold in an application that could cause issues with your product or whatever you're doing there, then those switches can give you that information. And then down below we have our NC Series IO-Link Master, which kind of brings it all together. So this IO-Link Masters is taking all the information from these different products and processing that so that your PLC can take that information and you can program different things in your application, whether it's alerts or alarms. You can know if your pressure is too high or too low, if your cycle rate or your cycle count is off from what you expect. You can see on the screen here, this demonstration is actually able to simulate different potential issues that you might have in an application. So we've got things where maybe there's a pressure drop in the application that could be causing issue. You can simulate that pressure drop right here down to 20 PSI, and you can see as it reduces, we have different sensors that are going off. Let me drop it another 20 PSI. So we can see if we go back up to our 34D pressure sensor, you can see now that that is red. So it's gone from our 80 PSI down to about 40 PSI. So sensing that pressure drop and turning those numbers red so you can have a visual indicator of something going wrong. I'll reset the program here. So now we're back in the green for everything. Other information you can see that we've got on here is our cycle count, voltage, valve pressure, a ton of different information. And like I said, different ways that you simulate potential issue in an application that you would want to get that information. So those are some of the benefits that you get from these IO-Link products, is be able to get more information about your application, make sure that things are running efficiently, effectively, and to really optimize your performance in an application. So this is all different things that you can put together to make that connected circuit, all available through IMI, IMI Norgren, IMI Bimba products.